Sam Hewitt. Welcome to our new downtown office here at Roy LePage Signature. I'm excited to show you around. Come on inside. Our first order of business was creating a warm, welcoming environment for you to work from. You can see we have these really fun co-working, comfortable stations. We've got workstations equipped with computers and private offices around the outside of this space. We also have these amazing conference rooms, which are really multi-purpose. You can use them when you've got clients coming in for either listing presentations or buyer presentations. You can use them for learning events if you're hosting any kind of seminars. You can also use them for just a social function if you're interested. You can see the different sizes we have here, available with TVs in the wall, available for your use anytime. In the back part of the office here, we have more private offices you can see along the wall. This is sort of the quiet part of the office. Like with any home, the heart of our downtown office is our agent cafe. Agents use this space to come in, they have lunch, they collaborate, they chat. You can also use this space for any of the events you might be hosting. And of course, it also houses our most utilized tool down here, which is the state-of-the-art coffee machine. The rest of the lower level houses extra workstations where you can come in and work, as well as private agent offices here along the outside. As a realtor, we know that privacy is of utmost importance. And so you'll see in our office, we've built these little call booths, kind of like an old school phone booth. So if you're sitting out here working at one of the workstations and you need to take a private call you don't want anyone to hear about, you can simply come into the space and shut the door and you can make your call from down here. One of the pros of having an open concept space is it feels so nice and bright and airy. But of course, one of the cons is sometimes you're a little worried everyone can hear you. And so we've really solved that problem by creating these little phone booths. The last feature down here in the lower level of our office is our design studio. If you follow me this way, you'll come and say hi to Anna. In the design studio, we create custom feature sheets, state-of-the-art marketing material, and all of the social content you're looking for your channels, completely free of charge. Anna, our very capable graphic designer, can pretty much make you look like a superstar online. All you have to do is figure out what you want to post, what kind of content you're interested in. We also have digital media capabilities, including video editing and video production. Pop in anytime, come and see us at 495 Wellington Street West, take a tour. We'll chat about where you are in your business and what it is you're looking for. You can meet with myself or any member of our management team. Here at Signature, we really believe that you should build a business of your own, just on your own. Come on by and check us out.